Remove background from any image in 5 seconds. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image in just 5 seconds. No Photoshop, no complicated tools. Let's get started. The fastest way to do this is by using remove.bg. Just go to the website once you are in the website. Then this page will appear on the screen. Upload your image by clicking on this icon. The loading will take some time, and it instantly erases the background with perfect edge detection. Once the background is removed, you can easily add the background from the website's gallery or from your media as per your choices. No need to create an account or tweak any settings. It's literally drag, drop, and done. Another quick method is through Photo Room, available on both web and mobile. It's super fast, gives you different background options too, and works great for product photos or profile pics. These tools are perfect for creating thumbnails, social posts, or transparent images for your projects. That's all for the video. Try these tools and remove any background in seconds. No skills or software needed. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.